Adobe Photoshop is the go-to software to create stunning photos, illustrations, or even YouTube thumbnails with ease. This is going to be a short and handy video to help you get onto the world of Photoshop. Let's begin. I will be using version 24.6, which is relatively new for the time of recording this video, and it's pretty straightforward. On the welcome screen, you will find the projects on which you have worked on before, or if you are new, click on the New File button. Here, you need to select the size or shape of your Photoshop project. I'm about to do a YouTube thumbnail, hence I'll select the one under Art and Illustration 1080p, which is basically a photo in landscape mode. Hit Create and you'll be on the edit page. Now, towards the right, you'll see all these tools, which when used correctly can produce some amazing results. In the bottom right, you'll see the layers window, which is quite useful. I'll come back to it later. To start editing an image, you just click, drag and drop them directly from the File Explorer. The image can be resized or rotated right away as you like. You can always add another image whenever you like. Since I am into creating a new thumbnail, I'll delete this and start over. I'll start by adding a gradient background. So I'll select the gradient tool, and on the top, you'll be able to select gradient of your choice. I'll go with something orange. Next, I'll import an icon. For that, create a new document and drag drop image there. But hey, I just want the icon, nothing around it. Well, that's where the new Photoshop shines. Click on Remove Background and voila, it's done. Now drag this into your original document and resize or rotate as you like. The option under Edit Transform is for that. Now I want to add a text. Go on and select the text icon. Draw a rectangle with it and off you type in. You may adjust size or font of the text. Now I'll add a photo of myself so as to make the video more appealing and position it right there. After this, one last text, most of the thumbnail is done. Now it's time for some final touches. Now here is where the layers pane will come handy. Now I want to add a glow to this icon. For that, I'll select the icon from layers pane, right click on it, and on blending options, I'll tick the checkbox for outer glow to adjust it and click OK. Next, I would like to add more depth to the text by adding shadows. Similarly, on blending options, I'll select drop shadow, and there you have a nicer text. How about adding a gradient to the text? Well, you can do that too. Once you are done editing, click on File, Export, and quick export as JPG. Give the file name and location, hit save, and there you have your first image edited in Photoshop. Hope you like these quick tutorials. Drop a like or comment your opinion on this short and easy tutorial.